Hey y'all, I've got hamburger steaks cooking. I've done a video on hamburger steaks before, so I'm not going to make this too lengthy. I have seasoned my hamburger patties to taste: onion powder, garlic powder, a little smoked paprika, some Worcestershire sauce, let's see, dry parsley, and some other seasonings that I like, seasoned to taste, and made my patties and put just a tad bit of olive oil in the skillet, probably about a tablespoonful. And this is what we have going right now, and I'll bring you back in. Okay, y'all, I'm making a little bit of roux, 2 tablespoons of flour, 2 tablespoons of oil, and 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, and about 1/4 of a cup of onions, chopped onions. So I'm going to put my meat back in the pan, in the skillet, and I have some beef broth, and I'm going to put some of that in, and I'm going to let it simmer. Put this broth in here, and I'm going to mix all of this up together and let it simmer. And let's see, I'm going to season the roux, and I'm going to let this simmer for about 30 minutes and check it and bring you back in and let you see what it's looking like. I only had about 1 pound of ground beef, so I'm only making about 5 patties. I'll bring you back in just a few. Just had to bring you back and show you this gravy and these patties, and I kept turning them over and over and over and over. This is just the thickness that I want in this gravy. Once I get everything all plated, it's pretty and brown. Once I get everything plated, I'll bring you back. Hi guys, I'm back to show you our Monday segment, our dinner. And we have tomato here, sliced tomatoes, Italian green beans, and that rice and gravy with that hamburger steak. And let me cut it so you can see what it looks like on the inside. Here it is. Let me take a bite. It is so delicious. It's a rich gravy, and onions, and a little bit of garlic. It's so delicious, y'all. It smells amazing, and it tastes even better. Here's that hamburger steak. Tender, mouth-watering, and these are the Italian green beans. Everything is just scrumptious. So, this is Patti. Thanks for joining in. Make comments. Tell me how you like this meal. Tell me if you've ever made it yourself. I'm interested in knowing. Don't forget to subscribe and press that like button. Tap the notification bell so that you will be reminded of the uploads. I will see you guys on the next video. And until then, be blessed. Look at that. Have a great Monday evening. And we look forward to talking to you on the next video. Come on in with those comments. Let me know what you think. And we will see you again soon. Goodbye.